Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into world of trading and investing. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will help you gain a better understanding of volume profile. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will provide you with valuable insight to enhance your trading strategies. So let's get started. Hello fellow trader, I am your host Nasa, and in this video we will explore the concept of volume profile and its significance in the financial market. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notification whenever we upload new educational content like this. Well, in my opinion, volume are the most critical information the market can provide. Approximately 80% of all trades and volume are executed by the top 10 financial institutions, often to referred as the big guys. These institutions possess significant resources, including trading expert, cutting edge technology, powerful algorithm, and vast amount of money. Volume profile is a powerful tool that trader use to analyze the distribution of volume over the different price level within a specified time period. It helps us understand the participation of buyers and sellers in the market at specific price level. By visualizing this data, we can identify key support and resistance level, area of high liquidity, and potential price reversal. So let me break it down for you. You can see here each horizontal bar on the volume profile chart represent the volume traded at different price level. These are the volume nodes which you can see here in this horizontal chart. So with the help of this volume, you can check the volume traded at particular price level. The height of the bar indicate the volume and the width represent the price level. When we see volume area, it indicates significant buying or selling activity. These zones act as a magnet. These zones act as a magnet for price, attracting it back to those levels. And when market approach this area, trader can take advantage of potential reversal or breakout. By analyzing the volume profile, trader can spot important level of support and resistance. You can check in this chart. This is the Maruti Suzuki normal chart where I have identified some support and resistance level. To verify the support and resistance level, I will use the volume profile for checking and validating the support and resistance levels. By analyzing the volume profile, trader can spot important level of support and resistance that may not be obvious on traditional price chart. It helps identify area where institution and big players are actively participating and giving retail trader a competitive edge. So now let's see how we can use volume profile in our trading strategy. First, we identify key volume based support and resistance level. Then we combine this information with other technical analysis to like trade line, moving average, or Fibonacci retracement to validate our trade setup. Here we have a perfect example where the price tests a high volume node and bounce off it. This could be an excellent opportunity for long trade. And by managing our risk, we can We can we can appropriate stop loss level and profit target. We increase our chances of success. So it's an incredible tool that can revolutionize your trading strategy with accurate price level, market insight, and risk management capability. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab your trading platform, explore volume profile, and start enhancing your trading today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting trading insight. Until the next time, happy trading. Thanks for watching.